Oh. What's good, Up Next family? It's your boy Up Next. Now I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, no edit mal in the building. Dreadhead, 2-strand twist, hoodie mal, cap mal in the building. Beard mal in the building. Look man, if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button before the video even starts. Make sure you check out my latest public interview. All you gotta do is click on my channel, it's gonna pop up. You know what I'm saying? Or the video previously before this one. I spent most of yesterday editing that bit. So make sure y'all go crazy over there. I'm bringing y'all like a little new, quick little dread hairstyle. I'm not here to take up too much of y'all time. You feel me? First thing first, bro. I just wanna give y'all niggas a message today. And then I'm gonna give y'all the tutorial on how I really came up with this simple hairstyle. But look, bro, pick up my message, bro. Fuck what anybody say about you. Alright, fuck what anybody say about you. Fuck what anybody, like, you have to understand you are the only person that's in your type of position in your life. You understand? It may be people that had similar positions, but it's nobody out there who had the same exact situation that you're in right now. So what you gotta do is you gotta take your own advice, or you can take advice from a loved one, but even your loved ones can shit on you sometimes. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say too much on it. I'm not gonna speak too much on that, but even your loved ones can like shit on you during like a low period of time. So what I need y'all to do is I need y'all to tap into yourself and believe in yourselves. You understand? Because nobody's gonna believe in you. Nobody's gonna put anything towards you unless you invest in yourself. You understand what I'm saying? I remember one dude, he asked me, he was like, hey bro, you'll send me some money, this and that, third. I'm like, bro, have you even invested in yourself? You understand? Like, what I look like putting my money into you and you don't even believe in yourself. You understand what I'm saying? So look, I think I just went sideways on that message. I don't know, but look, bro, here the message though. Look, and I also remember when I was younger, I used to be doing this YouTube shit, right? Niggas used to laugh at me, right? And now look, everybody want to do this YouTube shit. Now look who they coming to. Alright, ain't gonna say no more. But but nah, man, like real shit, bro. Like, be your own person. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to ride nobody wave. I know this one YouTuber, right? And this ain't no diss or nothing, right? He told me to hit up another YouTuber. I'm like, bro, I don't give a fuck if they poppin'. I give 2 fucks if they poppin'. He probably watching this video. No hurt feelings to you, my nigga. It's just how I think. You know what I'm saying? I was like, I don't give no fuck if they pop. Nah, bro, hit them up. Shit, if they fuck with you, they gonna fuck with us. This and the third, this and the third. I'm like, bro, I don't give a fuck if they are popping or not. You know what I'm saying? I don't know them niggas, so why would I hit them niggas up, right? So I wound up hitting them up, this and that, third. They didn't respond, of course, because how I feel is it's like this, bro. If I'm grinding, right, and I'm continuously grinding, and I'm not seeing nothing, then when I finally see something, I hit 1 million views, and you start hitting me up, that's pointing out that you're fake. You understand what I'm saying? Because you wasn't there for the grind, so why is you trying to be there for the celebration? You get what I'm saying? And that's not me, bro. I don't give a fuck. And you gonna have some niggas in life that try to not even throw you off your path, but just make you try to be somebody that you're not. And all I gotta say is, be yourself. You understand what I'm saying? I know a lot of people tell y'all niggas be yourself, but just be yourself, bro. Don't let no nigga throw you off your journey or trick you out your spot. One more example, and then I'm gonna leave y'all the fuck alone, teach y'all about this hairstyle. One more example is, I used to get laughed at for playing video games, right? Now look at these niggas who playing video games. They are going crazy. They're getting donations out the ass. They're going to tournaments. They win the tournaments. Now look, I don't regret I stopped playing video games, but that's just a sequence of my life where I was like, damn, maybe I should have like kept playing video games. You understand? Like, you know what I'm saying? So don't stop giving a fuck about what people say about you. You feel me? Do what makes you happy. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, that's it. But getting straight into this hairstyle, you know what I'm saying? I got the regular 2-strand twist on, you know what I'm saying, with the dread jewelry, 2 dread jewelries in the front. You feel me? Then, you know, I got the premium, good quality hoodie on. You dig what I'm saying? Hoodie was Yeah, like that. Yeah, I spent some money on this hoodie. But you know what I'm saying? In the front, the bit go hard. In the back, the bit go harder. You feel me? Then I got a little skull cap on. You feel me? A little Obey skull cap. Spent a little money on the Obey skull cap. Little gold pin at the top. You feel me? I usually wear this with the hoodie up when it's demon time. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna cap y'all. I ain't been asleep in like a month and a half. I don't know how long I've been grinding consistently on YouTube. Probably like a month and a half. But yeah, this is my first serious grind. Like I never really, well, I mean, I don't know. I was grinding at one point in time, but like I was very unmotivated. Now that I'm surrounding myself with people who doing the shit that I like to do, it's kind of encouraging. It's kind of more encouraging now. You feel me? Now that I'm in an environment where it's like, okay, he working. Goddamn, when I'ma work? You feel me? So that's another thing too, bro. Be careful about your environment, because your environment can change your whole situation. You know what I'm saying? The people that you hang around, bro. Look at the people that you hang around. You feel me? I make sure that I keep myself around inspirational people. You feel me? People that I fuck with half of the time, they don't even have to be YouTubers. Actually, I really don't like fucking with YouTubers like that. You understand what I'm saying? I don't like fucking with YouTubers like that. I like fucking with like regular people, because like, let me tell you, bro, like the people that I attract, they're just so positive. You feel me? They positive, and also they got their head on straight. You know what I'm saying? They looking at the long run. As a young nigga, bro, we always trying to get rich quick, and there is no scheme of getting rich quick. There is no scheme of blowing up fast. There is, and if it is a scheme of blowing up fast, you don't want it. I promise you, because just as fast as you go up, you're gonna go even faster down. You feel me? A lot of y'all not gonna understand that. A lot of that shit gonna go over y'all head. But trust me, you know what I'm saying? When you build something, it's never a fast process. When people are building a house, it don't take a month or two just to get the house done. When people are building a brand, it didn't take a month or two for Nike to get built. It didn't take a month or two for Obey, Adidas. It didn't take a month or two. So y'all gotta understand, when y'all are working, man, put it in the back of your head. Okay, I might have to grind on this bitch for a good year or two before I see anything. And you gotta be okay with that. You understand what I'm saying? You gotta be okay with just keeping your head down and just keep going. After it's seeming like you keep failing, but you're really not failing. You know what I'm saying? So keep your head up, man. Stay strong. I know this video is more inspirational, more than about the hairstyle, but I just felt like I needed to talk to y'all. I ain't got to talk to y'all in a minute. I ain't made a dread video in a minute. I've been on the public interviews and shit. When I'm on the public interviews, y'all know it's strictly entertainment. Y'all know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I don't really get to talk to y'all how I want to talk to y'all. You feel me? When I be doing the dread shit, bro, I get to actually vent to y'all niggas and all that type shit. But yeah, man, 2-strand twist, two dread jewelries in the front, Obey cap, you dig what I'm saying? All black hoodie with the hoodie on, you dig what I'm saying? It's demon time. You already know what time it is. But I appreciate y'all for supporting me. 30K on the way before 2020 over with. You already know how that go, bro. We about to grind these last, I think we got like 23 more days left. I don't even know, but I'm damn near about to double upload all 23 days. You know what I'm saying? Except for probably today. I'm gonna upload one time today, and then after today, it's over with. Double, triple. Like, it's over with. I'm telling you. You understand what I'm saying? Like, we're going crazy December. I'm not gonna let December slip away from me. I promise y'all that. 30K on the fucking way. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me down below. No edit mile in the building. Peace.